Yeah, I think, yeah, it is.
Kids don't know this, but this is payback for them being crazy. Driving us wild all the time. This is their chips, and we buried them. It's revenge.
Make sure the birds see it. Oh my gosh, they're scared. They can't get out. We packed them in there good. Ah, this is payback, little kids. Go get them. Go throw some more. Go throw some more on there. That's so funny.
Take that, kiddos.
Yeah. Yeah, not the mama. I'm gonna get him over here. Wait. What? Look at all the birds. Are you kids gonna listen now? Hey, are you kids gonna listen? You want out? No more talking back. No more talking back. What about fighting? Y'all gonna fight? I think they need more chips. I think the birds are hungry. This is so funny. At lunchtime. Look at all the birds. Yeah, run! Run, Zena! Get out of there! Yeah, good. Wiggle! Wiggle out! Get out of there! You gotta wiggle your feet. I think they need more chips. Throw more chips! That was so funny. Now that's what you call payback.